What is up, guys? I got my S&B cold air intake for the Cummins here, and I don't think it's gonna fit all the way in the garage, so I got it pulled in enough so if it does continue to rain I ain't getting all wet and shit. But yeah, so I'm gonna take this and open it up and see what's all in here and whatnot, and I'll let you guys know what's in there. I figured since it's a rainy day, might as well do this and throw it on, because I just did the 5-inch turbo back exhaust, deleted the EGR, deleted this fucking, you can't really see it, the butterfly valve deal thing down there, and deleted the cooler. That's that shit over here. And then I got the Mini Max, H&S Mini Max tuner, and it definitely woke the truck up. It's loud. You can hear the turbo like loud as fuck. I might do a video about that and the sounds or whatever, because I know a lot of people do that. But it's the Flow Pro, 5-inch Flow Pro, or I might even do a little clip on this video. But I'm gonna take the factory air intake out. I'm gonna open this one up first though and see what's all there, and kind of get at it from there. So if you want to see the install of this, I guess stay tuned, and yeah, I'll let you know. So fuck yeah. So here's everything. It's got like the neck, whatever the fuck this little box deal is, the instructions, and like a template, I'm guessing, for something, some rings, the main box, some sealed deals, couplers, and then the filter. It is the dry filter. So I'm gonna break the instructions out and see what all I gotta do from here, and then I'll flip the camera back in. Alright, so far all I did was popped whatever the mass airflow sensor off and whatever the other sensor is. I just took them clips off. I got them set wherever the fuck they went, down here, and pop them off, loosen this hose clamp up, and pop this top piece off, and then I'm gonna just take this off and put it here in this box, and then remove my filter, and then just kind of take the next tubing out. Alright, I got the next chunk of tubing out. Actually, I think it's the two next pieces. It's over there in the box. But now I'm gonna loosen this screw up down here that clamps it onto the turbo, and then pop this little hose clamp deal off and take all this out. Alright, I got all that shit out that was down there. Took that hose off this unit and popped that off and pulled it out with that. Now I gotta take this bolt out of here that holds it to like this frame support bullshit, and I don't know if it's a 1/2 inch, but that's what I got on there and it worked. And then I'm gonna loosen this up and then take the whole box out, and then see what I gotta do after that. I got the air box out. It's just two like rubber grommets that hold the bottom in, so you just pull straight up on it and they'll pop out. This is the only bolt that holds it in, and then after that you'll have this line that runs across here, and there'll be like a little clip thing. You just pop the clip up, take the line out, just let that chill, I guess, and then pop the clip out. And then I went ahead and took the mass airflow sensor and that other sensor out of that lid thing, the cap to this original air filter, and went ahead and popped them out. I got my sensors mounted on that tube, and this little plate deal goes on the bottom, I'm guessing to restrict some air and keep shit out. So I want to go put that on because I don't need like insane airflow, and these damn holes on here aren't like drilled in the right spot for where the threads go into that box piece. So I'm going to take the drill and kind of hone them out a little bit, and then put them bolts in there to hold that bottom box piece on. I got these clamps on this little thing. This goes around the turbo. I got that breather vent on, got the seal on this side of the box. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on and then slide this tube down in there and put this breather hose on and then put the box in. Alright, so I got that breather hose on right here. I got this on, that coupler down there on. So now I'm gonna unwrap the filter, throw that in the box, and then put the box in. And then I found out this template thing that I thought was a template when I was opening it up. Once I looked at it and I seen the engraving on there, that is the plexiglass cover for the top of the air box. Alright, once you get the air box in and the tube inside of it, I'd lift up on this pretty hard. I'd like lift right up on it, shove the box in, and then kind of push the tube into it. You got one, it's a size 5mm Allen that holds that down to the support here. And then after this, you take the filter and you can throw that in there, and there should be a hose clamp on there already, I'm guessing. Yeah. And then you put this seal around that bastard, and then these are the only screws and washers left, so then we'll hold that onto the air box. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all this shit on, and then I will show you what it looks like when it's all buttoned up and together and finished and whatnot. This is it, all wrapped up. I'll wipe that cover off, it's all dirty from my hands. But yeah, this is it done. I'm gonna fire it up. I don't think it's gonna sound any different, but I'm gonna run to town with it. But I figured I would give you guys a sound, I guess, sound clip of the 5-inch exhaust. So let me set the camera back here, and then I'll fire it up for you. Alright, that's that. I don't even know if you can hear me right now, but I'm gonna wash my hands and I gotta run in town real quick, so I'll see if it does anything. I gotta stay tuned. I'll let you know in my next video if it does anything. So I'll probably do like a walk around and talk more about everything I've done to the truck, and a reveal and some future plans for it and whatnot. But yeah, that's the install the S&B cold air intake with the dry filter. It took me maybe an hour, and that was going slow with the instructions. There's only two things I can complain about. Where that other sensor goes in with that mass airflow sensor, you really got to fucking stretch the wires out for it to get on there. And then the only other thing was I had to hone them holes out to get that box on the bottom. So that's my only two complaints with it so far. I'll let you know if anything else changes, if I like it, if I fucking hate it. So stay tuned. Drop a like and a subscribe down below, and that'd be fucking sweet. Till next time, I'm out.